So the customer will get it like this.
Yep.
Okay. So all complete together with the connector.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the connector, the node.
Hello.
Yeah.
So what is the progress now, Tanaka?
Yeah, rushing.
Customer waiting.
I know. Very rush.
Rush because of the delay.
You can see here. Battery is already arrived.
Okay.
And yeah, I'll just show you the unboxing.
Okay.
Just get the battery from Japan. The packing is very professional.
Yalah, being in Japanese.
Yeah, very professional.
Ooh.
Very tight.
Okay.
Yeah, so we throw away all the. So this is so nice. Woo.
Okay, so this is all the cell lah.
Yeah, all the cell. This is lithium titanate. Wow.
So this one is customized for us.
Customized. Yes. Customized. This is for our eBox.
So in this box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units.
Yeah. Okay. And our BMS also here.
Okay.
This is all our BMS. Yeah, still have a lot there. This is 500 amps. Really thick copper. Super thick. You can see how thick is it. This is 500 amps.
500 amp.
Yeah, and then this is special make for our battery because our battery is 2217 CCA, and then this can stand for 2000 CCA.
So technically 2000 lah.
Yes. So we can say that almost all the CCA can output from here.
Okay.
If you're using the small one, like this one, if you use this type,
oh, this is
so small.
Yeah, so small,
right?
Compare.
This claim can support up to 1000 CCA.
This one 1000.
Fail.
This one fail.
Fail.
Okay.
Fail.
So this is our BMS for the SuperCell.
So I come to this and then we custom configuration, everything. Then can fit to, exactly fit to our battery.
Battery. So
if not, the battery can boot up to 2200. But this is only 1000 for what?
Okay.
But this 1000 is paid. Because one kickstart burn.
So this one 2000.
Yeah.
And every BMS is also.
And then this can support 500.
500 amp.
Means that on normal.
On normal.
On normal can up to 500. This one can only up to claim is 200. But I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so because it's too small. All the connector, everything you can compare. How to connect 200 amps like that, right?
You compare.
Right?
Okay.
You see this? How thick is it? The copper. This is add-on copper on the board, right? Yeah.
Okay. So in this case, every single BMS is linked to our wireless
our phone.
app.
Yeah, phone.
Okay, to the phone.
Yep.
Okay, so they can check the status of the battery.
Yeah, from the Bluetooth. Okay, so we can check the battery station. Yeah, and then we will, in the future, we have somebody to work together with us, like our operator. So we will let them know how to reconfigure this system. Okay. The system to fit the car, because some of the car the output is 14 volt, some of the car is 13.7, 8.7 volt. So we can try to more precise to fit right to the car.
Okay.
Yeah, this is very good.
But if let's say they don't know what to do, they just swap, boleh?
No, we will customize everything. We will make it like common.
Okay.
Common. And then if you, this board is the beauty of the board is you still can customize reconfiguration and or to specify to a different car or different range of the alternator.
Okay.
Yeah, this is very very good. And come together with two temperature sensor. So one is in here, one is to our eBox. so we can see what is the temperature from the eBox inside, and also the
BMS.
Yes, BMS.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, that's good.
So we can say that perfect lah. We try to be perfect. So it's very expensive. You can see that compare the size to this.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost
It's
double. Yeah. Okay. So, and this is the battery casing. It's already here. Right. So you can see.
Okay.
Yep.
So the only thing that we need to do is,
Yeah, we need to do so many things actually. You know, to put the handle become like that, right?
okay.
Yeah, and to connect the BMS to the battery and leave it inside,
Okay.
and all the cooling system, and also our eBox inside, and sticker. Yeah, and also the sticker,
the top cover.
and you need to drill a
You
hole
need to drill 2 holes
for
the top cap.
inlet and the outlet, right?
Okay.
So many things. So yeah, we put the fan.
Okay.
So this is a bigger fan compared to the previous. Actually, this is the original size. Yeah, because at the time we just try to
R&D.
you know, yeah. So better.
Then
And
the heatsink.
yeah, the heatsink is not arrived yet, so that's why it's the delay because of the.
Just because of the heatsink.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, we try our best. You know, so many things we already received, and actually we can start, but unfortunately, some of the part is not here yet.
Okay. So
yeah,
when are we expecting the first batch of SuperCell to be out there to the customer?
I think have to lepas August lah.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, maybe next month.
Next
month we try our best, you know, because I think we can get the things between the first or second weeks.
Second week
So
September.
once we have the things, then I think in between 1 week.
We can solve everything.
Yes, yeah, we can solve. So maybe mid September, or maybe the 3rd week September.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 2nd or 3rd September lah.
Yes.
Our customer will get it.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. So I leave this here. And now the eBox is almost ready.
Okay.
So we put everything in and conceal, and now we polish.
Okay.
And then we you know, make it more shining. After that, we will put on our electronic parts.
Okay.
Connect all the wiring and the tubing.
Alright.
Right. So run the test like this.
This is to running in lah.
Yeah, to running in. So for the first time or second time, you know, so to make sure everything good, so we can see the bubble is so powerful. Even it's not the maximum yet.
This is not the maximum yet.
Yeah, it's almost the half.
Only half power.
Half, but you see the bubble, everything, you know, the water, right? So strong. So after everything,
so this is the customer will get it like this.
Yep.
Okay. So all complete together with the connector.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the connector, the node, and you know, and also this is the remote. So every products come together with their own remote control. So never mix.
Yeah, never mix. Okay.
Never mix. This right.
Okay.
Yep.
So this one, when customer can get the eBox?
That's why the shipment hold some of the part behind.
Okay.
So all this is ready.
All this ready.
Just waiting for this.
Only the
so once this arrive, in between 2-3 days, we will fix everything in.
Okay.
And then we will ship.
Okay.
Right. But now we have few units because I send by air.
Okay.
I send by air, so the things I can try to fix already. So but only have few units.
Okay.
Right. So we will
ship this to our first.
Yeah, very first customer. Very first customer that they trust us. So they place the order.
Yes.
They will get first.
They will get
first.
first.
Come first serve lah.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah. for those who not very sure about us, still want to hang over and look after, then wait lah. Wait lah. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So hopefully after this there's no more hiccup lah with the shipment.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So hopefully lah.
Okay.
And yeah, this is what we can do for our customer. Yep, we try our best. Okay, you just leave the thing out because I don't want to cut out your old eBox.
Okay.
Means that anytime you can put it in.
Okay.
So I just let you to try this eBox SuperCell.
All right.
And because I already bought the battery connector. Because mine is bigger, yours is small.
Small.
So I already bought the
small one.
big to small.
Okay.
But the shipment is very slow.
All right.
Very slow, so I have no choice.
Okay.
So I just try to put everything behind.
Okay.
And I still using your old eBox connector. You see?
Okay.
Yep. Old eBox connector. So I put this connector over here. So just to clip. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, those will clip like that. And then the controller I already put over here. So
the controller means when the system switch on, this eBox.
your car switch on means that exactly same as your old eBox, your eBox one. Okay, so this is the old connector to trigger the things. So I leave it here. Okay.
Okay.
On. Yeah, done.
So now when the fuel pump on, baru dia start.
When your car start.
When the car start, it start.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
You want me to try?
Yep.
Okay.
You can try.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, it's already on. It's quite quiet. It's on. It's running.
Running?
Yeah.
Oh, it is running.
Yeah, running.
Actually, wait, I can put the mic here. You can hear.
Yeah. Yeah, you have the fan. Right? So very simple. Okay.
Okay.
Just nice.
You see, now we have more space.
Yeah. Yeah, done. So good.
Oh, good.
So this is similar to if the car battery is behind the boot.
Let's say the BMW.
So something like that
okay
because the wire, actually the wire, everything is done.
Okay.
We just connect the pipe to the engine.
To the engine.
Yes.
Yes.
So
yes,
everything
yes.
is behind.
Okay.
Yeah. So similar lah.
Okay.